Hey there, Munchie Mafia. We are on day number 3, and look at this. Okay, so this is where we started with our sourdough starter. This little band shows us where we were, and look at that. It's like doubled the size. So that also happened with this jar. I was a little worried because sometimes, it may take a few feedings or so before you start seeing this beautiful um, bubbly texture. It smells nice and sour. So that's what it looks like. It's nice and bubbly. So jar number 3, except for we're just going to check out the weight of the jar. It's 450 grams for that jar. So we're going to stick this one down next, and it's saying 308. So we are going to take out half of it. So that would be 154 grams is what we're taking out. We're going to put it in this jar. Oh, yeah, that's just freaking stellar right there. Okay, so we want to get down to 154 grams in this jar. Actually, better yet, we'll just start here. Okay, 0. And now we are going to go to 154. I mean, this is just beautiful. That should be right about, no, 171. Too much. That's okay. Because all we have to do is just go and take a little bit more of this out. It's starting to really smell fermented. Yeah, spatula's in there. 159. So let's just take just a little smidge out. There we go. That might be it. 156. Okay. Just a little another smidge. It almost has a fruity floral scent. Okay, so 153. Close enough. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at this one and see where we're at on this one. 152. All right. So tear it out again. We're going to add 152 into this. Whoops. Oh my gosh. All over the place. 150. And the reason why I was a little worried is because it's been a little cold around here lately, and you need about 68, 78 degrees for sourdough starter to do really well. And it's been a little chilly. Weather's been just kind of goofy and not all that fun. Okay, so we got 153 on this one. So now we tear it out to 0 again, and now we're going to just start adding some water. So when I got home, I was like, oh, wow, look at this. I can't wait to share this with everybody because this did really well. So some of the things that can kill sourdough starter is the quality of your water. If you have highly chlorinated water in your house, definitely go for the bottled water instead. You're going to have a lot better success with it that way, and just start it out that way. All right, so now we're going to just mix it. And also, if your temperatures are not that great in your house, find a warmer spot. But definitely, like I said before, the top of your refrigerator, nice warm sunny spot. But don't overfill your jars, okay? And what'll happen is it'll just burst out of its little hat, and bubble out all over the place, and then you're going to have a big mess. So put a pan underneath just in case, because when this stuff dries on your countertop or the top of your refrigerator, it can really be a pain in the butt to clean up. So consistency is going to be like pancake batter, just like so. And now we're done with this one. Let's move on to the next one. 154. Now, we know that the jar weighs 450 grams by itself. So now we're going to go 154 into this jar. And also the type of flour that you use. If you're using whole wheat flour, put a little bit, cut it in half and use bread flour or all-purpose, because sometimes it takes a lot longer to rise. Also, check your expiration date on your flour itself. If you see any weevils in there, don't even bother with it. Okay, so 156. So now we're going to go over here and go 156. And also, putting too much water or too much flour can also affect the way it rises. And you don't want to overfeed it by putting more in there, or else you disturb all your cute little critters that's in there. And it dilutes it, and then next thing you know it's like, it's going to fall flat on you, and it's going to say, no, not today, Satan. So, all right. I already showed you 2 jars. I'm just going to go ahead and take care of this one off cam. But this is looking pretty damn nice. So send me an email, munchiemafiaofficial@gmail.com. Let me know what you'd like to see me do with these sourdoughs when I get back from the jail and can go back to our regularly scheduled programs. We'll do a special video, maybe a couple special videos. So let me know. Thank you for coming, and don't forget to cook with love, eat with passion, and see you very soon. Good night.
If you haven't yet subscribed to Munchie Mafia Official, now is that time. What's stopping you?